Assalamu alaikum, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Today, let's do the test paper from chapters 1 to 9. So, let's get started. The first bit is fill in the blanks. Okay, and the first question is dash give us milk, eggs, fish, and meat. Who give us milk, eggs, fish, and meat, children? Of course, we get these from the animals. Okay, so the answer is animals give us milk, eggs, fish, and meat. We buy stamps, envelopes, and post letters in a dash. Where do we go to get these things? We go to the post office, right? So from the post office, you can buy the stamps, you can get the envelopes, and also you can post the letters. Okay. Next is dash houses are made of bricks and cement. What are that houses that are made of bricks and cement? They are nothing but the pakka house. Okay. And pakka houses will be more strong when compared to the kacha house. Okay. Next is dash is a sweet dish especially prepared for Eid. On Eid ul Fitr, we usually prepare this sweet dish, that is sevain, isn't it? Sewain. Sevain. Okay. Next, a small family is called a dash family. What is that, children? Of course, the nuclear family. So other name for small family is a nuclear family. Okay, children. Now the next bit is match the following. First one is house. House protect us from heat, cold, and rain, and from dust and dirt. So a house is a comfortable place to live in, and it protect us from many things like the heat, cold, rain, dirt, and dust. Okay. Next is energy giving food. What are the energy giving food? Bread and butter. Okay, bread and butter are the energy giving food. If you eat this, then you'll get the energy to work and play. Next is dairies. Dairies, what is that, children? It is a place where milk, cheese, and butter are made. Okay, so dairies is nothing but places where milk, cheese, and butter are made, are called dairies. Next, veterinarian. Who is that? A doctor who treats sick animals is called as the veterinarian. Okay. Next is fisherman. Who is a fisherman? People who catch fish are called as fishermen. Okay, children. Now the next bit is underline the correct answer. And the first question is houses made of mud, straw, and thatch are called dash. Is it a pakka house or kacha house, children? Of course, the kacha house. Kacha house are made of mud, straw, and thatch. That is the reason why they are very weak. Okay. Next is the Sikhs pray in a dash. Church, mosque, or gurudwara. The Sikhs pray in Gurudwara. Mosque is for Muslims, church is for Christians, and Gurudwara is for Sikh people. Next, people who eat only food that comes from plants are called vegetarians, non-vegetarians, or vegans. They are called as vegans. Okay, the food only from plants are called as vegans. Okay, the people who eat the food that comes from only plants, they are called as vegans. Next, we keep our money and valuable things in a dash. We keep our valuable things in a hospital, bank, or police station. Of course, bank. Okay, it's not the hospital or police station. Next, dash means using something more than once. Is it a recycling, reusing, or reducing? The answer is reusing. Reusing means using something more than once. Okay. The next bit is write yes or no. We should waste food, children. Yes or no? No, we shouldn't waste the food. We must take the food as much as we require. Okay. So the answer is no here. We should always keep the windows closed. No, you should always open the windows. Why? Because the fresh air will get in, and also you will get the sunlight. Next, a tailor sells us medicines. Is it true? No. Why? Because the tailor, they stitches the clothes. They will not sell us medicines. So answer is no. Tents can be put up anywhere. Yes. Why? Because they are foldable. You can fold it and carry it to any place you want. So answer is yes. The people living in our neighborhood are called our neighbors. Yes, the people who live in our neighborhood, they are called as neighbors. So answer is yes. The next is name them. Prayer of the Muslims. What is it called as, children? It is called as namaz. Prayer of Muslim is called as namaz. Namaz. Next, a vehicle that carries sick people to the hospital is called as ambulance. Ambulance. Whenever there will be an emergency, the ambulance only will carry the sick people to the hospital. Okay. A person who makes cloth by arranging the threads together is called as a weaver. Okay. Weaver, what they will do, they will take the threads and they will make it in cloth form. Okay, that person is called as weaver. Next, to find another use for something that has already been used many times is called as recycle. Okay, so if you find another use for something that uh, you have already used for many times, then that is called as a recycling. Okay, so answer is recycle. Now let's revise the question answers from chapters 1 to 9. Okay, the first question is, what is a joint family? And your answer is grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, and children living together is a joint family. Okay, so a family where grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, and children live together, then that family is called as a joint family. Okay, second question is, what food do plants give us? Plants give us fruits and vegetables. Okay, what are tents made of? Your answer is tents are made of strong cloth called canvas. Okay, children. Answer is fleece is the woolly hair sheep have on their bodies. So what is a fleece means? The answer is fleece is the woolly hair sheep have on their bodies. Fleece is the woolly hair sheep have on their bodies. Okay, children. So what are landmarks? The answer is landmarks are important places or buildings in a neighborhood that most people know about. Okay, that is called as the landmarks. Next question is, what is a balanced meal? So the answer is a little bit of each type of food at different times of the day is a balanced meal. Okay, repeat, a little bit of each type of food at different times of the day is a balanced meal. At different times of the day means they are nothing but the breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay, well, that's it, children. It was the end of our revision from chapters 1 to 9. We'll catch up with the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. Allah Hafiz.